Good morning, TK. I hope you are ready for your math lesson today. We are going to be counting backwards today. But before we do that, we got to go over our objective. It's a pretty long objective. If we count the words in our objective, actually wait. Let's count the words in our objective to see just how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 words in our sentence. Let's see what it says. Ready? Objective, objective, objective. It is what we are going to learn. So TK, our objective says, I can count backwards to find the number that comes before another. Let me read that again, but this time we'll underline the tricky words. So it says, I can count. We know how to count, right? We know what count means? Okay. So we're going to be counting. I can count backwards. We're going to be counting backwards. That's crazy. I can count backwards to find the number. So we're going to be finding a number that comes before. That's why we have to count backwards, TK, because we have to find the number that comes before. Let's go ahead and sing our 5 Little Monkeys song, because in our 5 Little Monkeys, they each jump off the bed, and that reduces the number each time, which means we're going to be practicing counting backwards. Do you see that? We're not getting more, we're getting less. All right, let's begin. I'm going to start by drawing 5 little monkeys on our board, because in the 5 Little Monkeys song, we always start with the number 5. Okay, so my monkeys may not be the best and they may look a little funny, but that's okay. We're just gonna do it to sing our song. Ready? So go ahead and get your phones out so you can follow along with me. Remember, you don't forget the doctor part. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, TK, so if we stop there, we started with 5 monkeys and then one of them jumped off. So now we have how many? We started with 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we went down 1. All right, now we have 4 monkeys. Let's keep our song going. 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. All right, TK, so we had 4. 1 hopped off. Now how many do we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 3 monkeys. So we had 4, 1 went down. So the number before 4 is 3. All right, let's keep going. Now we have 3. 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Good job, TK. So we had 3. 1 hopped off. Now we have 1, 2. 2 monkeys. Let's keep going. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Uh-oh, we had 2. 1 hopped off. Now we have 1 little monkey left. Let's keep going. 1 little monkey jumping on the bed. 1 hopped off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Now that we had a little bit of practice going over our 5 little monkeys hopping off and being able to count backwards, being able to count down from our greatest number to our lowest number, now we're going to see what that looks like on our number line as you're answering questions. So go ahead and draw a number line up to 5 on your side. You can use a whiteboard to do this. The number line is going to have the number 1 first, and then 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember, the numbers are being counted up from left to right. All right, once you have your number line all drawn out, I want you to answer these next 3 questions. So our first question, what number comes before, so ready, we're finding the number that comes before 3. So on the number line, if you find the number 3, this is the number 3. What number comes before 3? What number is that? 2, right? Yeah, the number 2 comes before 3. Good job. Now we're going to go to our next question. Our next question, I want you to find the number that comes before 5. What number comes, so if this is 5, so we're not looking at this one no more. We're done with 3. If we're on 5, what number comes right before it? What number is that? If we go 1 back, the number 4. Good job. All right, so for this last question, you're going to do this one all by yourself. What number comes before the number 2? So using your number line, we're going to erase this one. Using your number line, if you look for the number 2, you're going to put a dot right there. And then you're going to count backwards. What number comes before the number 2? And you're going to write that number. So as soon as you write your numbers and you figured out all of the numbers that come before the number I provided, you're going to take a picture of your work and submit it to Class Dojo. This is how I'm going to see if you were able to count backwards with me.